So good day guys, yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll learn how to uninstall a particular app on Windows 11. So first of all, we're showing two ways to install apps on your Windows 11. There are some particular apps that you install from your Microsoft Store. You can uninstall them directly, while some will have you to uninstall them straight. For example, this is the app I want to install, Lively Wallpaper. So I right click on this and click on uninstall, then uninstall. Then you can see, just click on uninstall again, then uninstall. So you can see this app is gone right now. So this didn't take too much time. But the second way to uninstall apps that are not installed straight from, say for example, I uninstall BlueStack 5, which is not installed from the Microsoft Store. I'll go and right click on it and click on uninstall. Then it's going to take you to this installed app section. Then you locate the app you want to uninstall here. So I'll be going ahead to locate my BlueStacks. With my BlueStacks I want to uninstall. Now I'm going to click on here, these three dots, and click on uninstall. So tap on uninstall. Then the last thing to do is just to click on uninstall here. Then you've taken the app from your device. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.